Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot and insert into a Google Doc. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Docs and I'm going to take screenshot and insert it to this Google Doc. Okay, first of all, you can take screenshot and I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot. For example, I'm going to take screenshot of my Spotify. If we want to take screenshot, we can press Windows key and print screen on our keyboard like this. And then we can go back to our Google Doc and then you can click on Control and V like this. And as you can see guys, that the screenshot has been added to this Google Doc. That's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to take a screenshot and insert into a Google Doc. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.